So the base radius of a circle is increased by 25%. Then find the percentage change in its area. So radius is increased by 25%. So 25% can be written as 1 by 4. So starting the radius is 4. So area is pi r square. Pi r square into 16. The value is 16 pi. So the radius is increased by 25%. So 25% of 4 is 1. So 4 plus 1. So now radius is 5. Area is pi r square. So value is 25 pi. So what is the percentage change in its area? So the value is increased by 9 pi. So increased percentage is 4 5 by 16 pi into 100. Pi cancelled. 1 by 16 value is 1 by 16 into 100 is 6 1 by 4% into 9. So 54 9 by 4. 9 by 4 can be written as 2 1 by 4. Value is 56 1 by 4%. So whenever we are calculating the percentages or fractions or ratios, there is no need to consider the constants. Here pi is a constant, so no need to consider the constant values. So radius is increased by 25%, value is 1 by 4, so radius is 4. So area is equal to pi r square. So no need to consider the pi. R square value is 16. So it is increased by 25%. So 4 plus 1, radius is 5. So area is 25. So percentage change, it is increased by 9. So 9 plus 16, 9 by 16 into 100. 1 by 16 into 100 is equal to 6 1 by 4 percentage into 9. So 56 1 by 4%. The length of a rectangle is increased by 37.5% and its breadth is decreased by 20%. Then find the percentage change in the area. Length of rectangle is increased by 37.5%. So the 37.5% can be converted into fractions 3 by 8. Its breadth is decreased by 20%. So 20% is 1 by 5. So length and breadth. So starting length is 8 and breadth is 5. So area is equal to length into breadth. So area is equal to 40. Next, length is increased by 37.5%. So 37.5% of 8 is 3. So 8 plus 3, value is 11. Its breadth is decreased by 20%. So 5 minus 1, so 4. So result is 44. So find the percentage change. So it is increased by 4. So 4 by 40 into 100. So value is 10%. So the base radius of a right circular cylinder is increased by 40% and its height is decreased by 37.5%. Then find the percentage change in its volume. Radius is increased by 40%. 40% can be written as 2 by 5, and its height is decreased by 37.5%. So 37.5% can be written as 3 by 8. The starting value is 5. So r is equal to 5, height is equal to 8. So area is equal to pi r square h. So there is no need to consider the constants. So r square h. So radius is 5, 5 into 5, 25, 25 into 8. So value is 200. So radius is increased by 40%. So 5 plus 2 value is radius is 7. Its height is decreased by 37.5%. So 8 minus 3. So value is 5. So pi r square h. R square is equal to 49 into 5. So 245. So value is increased by 45. So percentage is 45 by 200 into 100. So value is 22.5%. A man saves a certain part of his income every month so that he can purchase a car in 1 year. By what percentage he must increase in his saving so that he can purchase the car in 9 months? So man can purchase a car in 9 months. And you want to purchase a car in 9 months. First you purchase a car in 12 months. You can purchase a car in 9 months. So take the LCM of 12 and 9. LCM is 36. So total amount is 36 in 12 months. For each month we can get 36 by 12. Okay, that means for each month we can total amount is 36. For each 12 months you can earn 36 rupees. For each month 36 by 12. Okay, first month you can save 3 rupees per month. So 36 by 9, that means value is 4 rupees. So in 9 months, for each month you can save 4 rupees. So what is the percentage you have to increase? So value in first you can save 3 rupees and now you can save 4 rupees. So the increased value is 1. So increased percentage is 1 by 3 into 100. The value is 33, 1 by 3%. So each month you have to save. You have to save P rupees. For every month you have to save P rupees. So in 12 months you have to save P into 12. So every month you have to save A rupees in 9 months. You have saving a amount in 12 months is equal to you have to saving the amount in 9 months. Both are equal. Okay, so type 3 4 times. So P by A is equal to 3 by 4. So first you have to save 3 rupees and next you have to save 4 rupees. So what is the increase percentage? You have to increase it to 1. So 1 by 3 into 100, that is 33, 1 by 3 percentage. A man multiplied a number by 7 by 4 instead of 3 by 5. Find the percentage change in revenue. A man multiplied a number by 7 by 4 instead of 3 by 5. So first you have to multiply the value with 3 by 5. You have to multiply the number with 7 by 4. So please write the value here, the LCM of these two values. The LCM of these two values is 20. So write 20 here, write 20 here. So 3 by 5 into 20. So 4 times value is 12. 4 times 5 value is 35. So what is the percentage of increase? So it is increased plus 23. So percentage is 23 by 12 into 100. So convert 23 by 12 into a percentage. So 2 minus 1 by 12. So 2 is equal to 200 percentage minus 1 by 12 is equal to 81 by 3 percentage. So subtract 9, 191, 2 by 3 percentage. ABCD purchased a car for 56 lakhs. The share of B plus C plus D is 460 percentage of A. And the share of A plus C plus D is 366.666 and so on percentage of B. And the share of C is 40 percentage of A plus B plus D. Then find the share of D.